pretty.
How's that?
That tastes pretty good. How's that look? I guess this mounts and does a pickup on the...
So that was in the trunk?
Yeah, 2 of these are in the trunk.
Sweet.
Because I found a thing online that says, oh, if you turn the key on and disconnect the negative side of your battery and wait 5 minutes, it'll reset those codes. And
Yeah.
it does not.
It does not.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody's lying online.
Yeah, that's not cool.
No. Should be all truth online.
That's right.
Nothing but the truth.
That's right. I thought the internet was all where truth resides.
Let's
Turn that baby on.
plugged in. Careful. Watch your step. Let there be light.
Yaboom.
Oh, that is bright. It's bright as shit. Alright. I'm gonna explain what the hell we're attempting to do here to the people. Oh, it looks really bad with a bunch of light on it.
Does it?
Okay.
Oh,
All my
crap.
shadows. Alright, so like, yeah, basically from right here. This is good, right?
I think so.
Yeah, all the way. How far back should we go?
I'm thinking start before that because that's got the piston in it for the stupid bumper.
Yeah, okay. So we'll literally go from here to there. We're going to cut it with the wheel. Both sides are good, right? There's
Think
no
so.
holes, so it's just bottom.
It's just cutting like little short pieces and sticking them in there.
Yeah, what do you
Nope.
think caused that? Because that side...
I don't know.
It's
It's that
fine.
side for some reason is
Oh, is that
That one
a
there?
hole or a factory hole?
that's a factory hole.
Okay.
Just starting to get
Yeah.
cancerous.
Yeah, but Jesus Christ, what a difference from
I
side
know.
to side. So something must have got in there and sat.
Already parked it in the ocean for a while. I don't know.
Yeah, he might have done that. Guy was part of the yacht club, so
Sure.
could have very easily done that. All right, so we're gonna get started. Keep you updated. How'd you do?
Oh, she's
It's
so
like
close.
right there, right?
It's just liquid all over the place.
I don't know.
What the heck? Must be the salt water from
Yeah.
where we backed it into the ocean there or something. I don't know.
Jesus Christ, look at
Oh,
all the
she's
dust.
she's so,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
I'll breathe that in. That's
That's
original 80s Oldsmobile dust. Yeah.
whoopsie.
Let me. How bad is that? Oh.
I think she's bad.
Yeah, I accidentally nicked the piston for the bumper.
Nicked it. I think it cut through
I think I cut all the way through it. Oops.
Whoops. It's rusty anyway.
Intake video, but it started smoking and freaked me out. Oops.
Just because the gas tank's right here.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, Jesus. Well, there you go. That was very quick.
That was quick.
Tell you, those diamond blades.
I think kicks ass.
Blade. Yeah, they really do. This took about 5 minutes. Not even.
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5.
Oh. Do you think I should just cut this stupid bolt off to get this mount out of here?
Yeah, what the hell? I mean,
I know it'll do it.
oh,
Because I can't.
It'll do it all right.
Let's let her rip.
Just let it rip here, Chet. How's that?
That tastes pretty good. Was it rubber on the back of that? Oh,
It must have been rubber.
there's rubber
For the
back
mount.
there.
Yeah.
Oh, can I get that?
I smell it too.
Get that out of there?
Burning rubber.
I don't have anything.
What that is. You can pry it.
Come on.
There you go.
There it is.
Yeah. Yeah. look
Holy
at-
crap.
That's the rubber right there. Oh. Yeah, it's a big rubber piece.
wanna
Can
see
you
what's left of it?
Yeah, what we got?
This should be that.
Could not
bolt
be
there.
thinner.
Wow.
Holy hell.
Rotted right through.
Wow, I've never seen that.
GM quality. There you go. Just takes 2 hands.
Whew. I'll see that. See that in the
Hold
light.
that in the light.
Hold that in the light. Yeah. I don't know how thick it originally was. That's pretty much the bottom. That side, okay. And not so much.
Boy, I don't know what the... Oh, it went through the top of the frame.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright, look at
you want to
that.
look, there's a... You can see where it's supposed to go.
That hole.
It's all rotted out around it.
Yeah.
Yep, that's rust. Rust and rot.
That is rust and rot. Huh. And leakage.
Yeah.
Piston leakage. Well, that's a clean cut for the frame.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me see if that piece of metal even fits there.
I was gonna say if it's wide enough, and then we can cut
Yeah.
it to size. Let's see here. Ta-da!
Huh?
What was that?
I don't know.
Are there ducks out
Frame.
here?
What?
There's definitely ducks out.
Oh, the frame.
So we're gonna do a little bending somehow. But yeah, that's almost.
Does
Take a,
that, like, fit?
yeah, take a look at that. I mean, we could just weld it the thickness
Yeah.
right now, the width. Just slight bend, clean the side of the frame up.
I think right here would be long enough.
Yeah, I'm thinking right there, and then
Let me whack it. Put it in there and just give it a little
love tap.
love tap. Oh yeah. That's my pants.
We're very precise on this channel. We don't need no stinking measurements.
Measurements of a
Yeah.
boy. We know what we're doing. Yeah, as you can see.
Pretty much perfect.
Yeah.
Damn, with a bend? Hell
Yeah.
yeah.
I think I'll have to clean this all up, but I think
Yep.
if I get this tacked here good enough, I can just bang the crap out of it and
Yeah, let me
back up in there.
let me borrow the glasses. I'll get that.
Yeah. I gotta undo this because that's where the ground hooks up. But
Oh yeah.
there we go. Yeah.
Okay, so we're getting the header back on. We got the starter. You can't even see it. Trust me, there's a starter.
See you in a minute.
Let's see in a minute when it starts. Right there, that big bulky thing. We got that in. I think where we left off in the back here. All right, you guys can see. Definitely messed that piston up real bad. And then, yeah, we got this all cut out nice and even. Grinded a little bit. We got the piece cut out. I think that's a piece. So it's ready to be tacked up. We're not going to do that tonight. It's getting late, but we also got the trim off of this side. You can see the bubbles, but we got the trim off. He's going to touch this up, and that new piece, which is right here, is going to more or less fit like that. And tack it up. We'll have a new rear quarter, which will be sweet. Alright, we're just gonna do a quick start tonight because I haven't heard Betty in so long. How long's it been?
Oh, yeah.
A month?
Oh, more than that.
Well, that's right. You're down in Florida for
Yeah.
a while,
Almost a
so
month.
probably 2.
Yeah, better start.
2 months. Yeah, she better start. She's not on camera, so she better
Yeah,
start.
that's right. You don't want to look like an asshole, buddy.
Diesel. This ain't no diesel. I'm telling you, that Cummins on Craigslist.
What's the one for it?
$1,500.
Really?
1,500 bucks. Yeah. Maybe one day we'll convert it back to diesel.
Okay, I'm officially done with that.
Or just a big block with a blower.
Yeah, big block of blow would be good too.
Totally go in the yacht club with this puppy. Number 1. Alright.
Fire it up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I turned the fuel pump on and let it sit there for a minute because I see there's some gas in it.
Yep.
Somebody used to fill that.
Fuel pump.
There you go.
No gas leaks. Here goes nothing. What? God bless America. Hell yeah.
Yay!
2 months of sitting? Didn't seem like it. Oh God. Oh jeez. Watch out for that. Cool.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Alright.
Oh!
Well, that'll do it for us tonight. I made my night.
Yeah, me too. Oh, just having it in here so long and not being able to run it.
I know, right?
Killer.
I forgot.
Now, hopefully the adjustment we made to the header will fix the shifting issue.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
Because that was the whole
reason.
behind this process of bringing her in here. So hopefully she shifts well. The new transmission doesn't hang up on the linkage. Runs okay. Still got that weird freaking noise.
I know, it clicks like hell.
Yeah, we gotta take some shit apart.
Yeah. It runs, so, you know. Not
She
good.
does run. We'll deal with all that later on.
All that other crap.
Yeah. Woo! Alright. That'll do it for me. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys keep it weird like this, putting a gas motor in a diesel car. Just weird stuff. So, like, subscribe, comment down below, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you next time. Peace!